Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a discarded piece and turn it into something adorable. My friend Diana gave me this well-loved bench to find a new home. Diana makes purses out of repurposed upholstery material, and I sell them in my shop. We've had so much fun selling her one-of-a-kind pieces. I'm upcycling this bench today as a part of a collaboration with Jamie and Zeb in their business coaching group. So grab the playlist and watch the videos for my friends. First step is always to clean your piece well. I use some crud cutter, and now I'm mixing up a custom color. I'm mixing a custom sage today. I used Apothecary and Aviary from DIY Paint. I'm putting this on with my multitasker brush, which is soft as a makeup brush, and it puts the paint on so well. I use approximately 1/3 Aviary to 2/3 Apothecary, and then I found out it wasn't quite green enough. DIY paint is highly pigmented, only has 9 ingredients, and is all natural. I get it all over my skin. You can see it on the back of my arm here, and it washes off really easy with soap and water after I get home. It's important to me to use water-based natural products because I am working indoors all times of the year, and I really don't want to be breathing in the fumes. Here I am adding more green, and you can see this is much closer to the color I was actually originally going for. So keep trying and consider that first coat a base coat. I grabbed a MIDI transfer from Redesign with Prima. It's called In the Garden. It's full of beautiful soft florals that are flowy and delicate, and there's also some bees and tiny butterflies, so I thought it was a perfect fit for this piece. When applying transfers, I pull up at a corner and pull it towards me, and then I always burnish it with my finger to make sure there's no edges popping up or no air bubbles. Each transfer comes with a wood stick that you can use to apply. I also sell and love these transfer tools by Prima. They're about $8 on my website. Have you ever thought about business coaching? It is really an investment in your business and your future. For $25 a month, Jamie and Zeb really give a good value with 4 different videos live with them on Facebook every month. They do these collaborations a few times a year to kind of kick us in the pants with tough love and get us out there to do videos, because that is the best way to show people how to use these products and get your business seen. A few more embellishments and then it's time to seal. I'm going to seal this with Sweet Pickins matte top coat, but you can use any wax or water-based top coat. If you're putting it outside, then you can also follow your water-based top coat with some oil-based products so it will wear better in the weather. Although before sealing, we decided to give it a little bit of distressing. So here I am taking a damp cloth and reactivating that water-based DIY paint to bring out some of the wood and give it just a little bit more character. When brushing on your top coat with DIY, it's really important to do long strokes and to watch for any drips. The top coat's going to feel really runny compared to the paint, which is so thick. After your top coat dries, you can stage and take pictures of your masterpiece. The paint will still take about a month to fully cure, so be gentle with it. Thanks for watching this video with me, and I would love it if you would follow me for more. Don't forget to watch the rest of the collab. Have a great day. Go create something amazing.